In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo login error on iPhone. Step-by-step tutorial. If Venmo is giving you trouble when you try to sign in, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you through two reliable fixes that are quick and safe to try. First, let's make sure the app itself is up to date. On your iPhone, open the App Store. In the Search tab, type Venmo and look for the official app. Keeping apps updated is important because new versions often include bug fixes that target issues like unexpected login errors. If you see an update button next to Venmo, tap it and let the update finish. If the button says open, that means you're already on the latest version. Once the update completes, launch Venmo as you normally would. Many sign-in problems disappear after updating because the app and Apple's system services are better aligned. If updating doesn't do the trick, the next solution is to refresh Venmo without losing your data. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down and tap General, then choose iPhone Storage. This section lists all your apps and the space they use. Find and tap Venmo. Here, you'll see an option called Offload App. Offloading removes the app itself but keeps its documents and data on your device. That means your account information and settings tied to the app's data remain intact. Tap Offload App, then confirm by tapping Offload App again when prompted. This clears out the app's core files, which can resolve conflicts or corrupted components that might be causing the login error. After the offload completes, you'll see the option to reinstall app on that same screen. Tap Reinstall App. Your iPhone will download a fresh copy of Venmo and reconnect it to the data that stayed on your device. When the reinstall finishes, open Venmo and sign in again. Because this method gives you a clean app while preserving your stored data, it often fixes stubborn login issues without forcing you to start from scratch. To recap, updating Venmo through the App Store addresses known issues quickly, and offloading then reinstalling the app refreshes its core files while keeping your data safe. Use the first method for a fast fix, and the second when you need a deeper refresh. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get back into Venmo smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve the login error on your iPhone.